All right, picture this. You're deep into a project, maybe staring at a wall of code that makes your brain hurt, or you've just been handed a massive PDF report that feels impossible to tackle. So what if, instead of fumbling through it alone, you could just share your screen and start talking to an AI? Like, hey, what's this part of the code doing? Or can you give me a quick rundown of the report? There's this cool feature on Blackbox AI, but don't get hung up on the name, that lets you do exactly that. You literally share your screen and the AI becomes your sidekick. It breaks down all the complex stuff for you in real time. I even tried it out myself, showed it some gnarly code that had me totally lost, and it walked me through every line step by step like a patient teacher. Then I tossed a huge PDF at it and boom, a clear, easy to digest summary in seconds. It's wild how fast this stuff is moving. We're basically getting these tools that make complicated, overwhelming tasks feel manageable, almost effortless. It's not just about saving time, it's about changing how we learn and work with information. Honestly, it feels like having a smart assistant who actually gets what you're wrestling with on your screen and helps you cut through the noise. No jargon, no complicated commands, just straightforward, practical help. So if you're someone who deals with dense info or tricky code, this kind of AI-powered screen sharing could seriously change the game. What do you think? Would you try something like this? Hit me up with your thoughts. I would love to hear it. All right, that's it for today. Catch you next time.